Hey y'all, what's going on? Okay, so I got a package in the mail. Ordered something on Amazon. Pretty sure that I know what it is, but hopefully I don't open it and find myself really disappointed. But if it is what I think it is, because I don't order a ton of stuff on Amazon, and I'm excited about it, because it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Being careful, because if it is what I think it is, then I don't want to cut into the box. Good. Yes, it is what I think it is. Okay, so, oh, it's got a little box too. I forgot about that. It did show that on the thing. So check this out. Arden is, they make real cleaning and they make the real butter and everything. But I found this on Amazon and it was 20 bucks or something like that. But anyway, it is cleans all models of fishing reels, and it's got, well, let's just open it up. I gotta clean all my reels, especially the ones that I take saltwater fishing. And my other cleaning stuff mysteriously vanished, so anyway, that's it. Real clean. It's a kit. I'll put the link down below so that y'all know how to get that. Cool. Let's open it up. Oh, it's the latch. Okay. Bam. That's cool. So yeah, it's got a nice little case for it. Everything fits right in there. The brush is mushed, of course. That's nice. That stinks. Oh well, just get a toothbrush. But that's pretty cool. So it comes with little swabs to get down into the nasty stuff. Little swabs. Alright, so this should be... Okay, so yeah, that's the cleaner. So it's a bottle of cleaner. That should last for a long time. It's leaking. Reel guard. Okay, so this right here... Oh, that's where it's leaking from, the corrosion inhibitor. Anyway, this right here, the corrosion inhibitor. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, or if I'm holding that too close. But anyway, Ardent Reel Guard Corrosion Inhibitor. That stuff right there is... I'm going to use them on all of them, but I'm going to use that on the... this is rusted. Oh well. I have another little screwdriver I use instead of that. But anyway, mainly I use that on the saltwater reels, but I'm going to use it on all of them because who doesn't like their reels to be corrosion resistant. Okay, this is the reel oil. And then this should be the reel grease. So this is the Ardent reel butter, which I've used the reel butter before, not in a little tube like this. I've got the other canister of it before. That stuff's really good for putting down in the gears and stuff so that you don't get any kind of... It actually keeps sand out, like sand and dirt, stuff like that. But anyway, I am going to grab a reel and start cleaning. Okay, so this one's going to be extra special. This is Ezra's. See all the sand in there? This thing it has sand falling out of it. So, let's get to it. Okay, now it's time to put all this back together. So I got all those pieces, I have gears, I have, yeah, pretty much everything. Had to rip the whole thing apart to clean it because there was sand everywhere. But anyway, put it back together now. So the new kit works great, obviously. When I started out, this thing was jam-packed full of sand. I think Ezra set it down when the tide was coming in or something, and it got just completely covered in wet sand, and it just got all up in there. But got it all working right. Still, the bell needs, I think the bell needs replaced, but it doesn't sound right. Anyway, reel sounds great now. Like I said, I will link that Ardent kit down below for y'all. I found it on Amazon, but it's a pretty good little kit. But that'll be it for today. I hope y'all liked the video. Remember to hit the like button if you like the video, comment if you have one, and make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on the little bell notification. Take care.